Hello friends. Today I will show you how to design a certificate in Microsoft Word. This certificate can be designed very easily in MS Word. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create a new document. To create a new document, select File, New, Blank Document. Step 2. Page Setup. To set up the page, I'll go to the Layout tab here. Select Size option. I will select the A4 page. You can select any other page size. Now, I will set up the margin. Select Margins, Custom Margins. I will add margins of 0.5 centimeter to top, bottom, left, right. Step 3. Layout Design of Certificate. First, I will insert a rectangle shape. For that, I will go to Insert tab. Then select Shapes. Rectangle shape. I will change the size of the shape. Change the shape fill color and remove the outline. Then I will copy this shape and paste it here. Now, I will change the size of this shape. Next, change the shape fill color. Then I will copy the shape and change its fill color. Select the three shapes together and set their alignment to align top. I will change the size of the black shape. Select three shapes together. I will set their alignment. Then right-click here, group them together. Align center. Now, I will copy this shape group, rotate the shape group and reduce its size. To send this shape group back, right-click and select Send to Back. Copy, paste. Then, go to the Rotate option. Flip the shape group horizontally. To send this shape group back, right-click and select Send to Back. Now, select the two shape groups and align them on top. Then, I will insert a text box. For that, go to Insert tab. Here, select Shapes. Select the text box and insert. Type company name here. Select this text. Then, pick a new font and increase the font size. I will set a color of the text and its alignment center. Then, I will set the alignment of the text box to the center. Then, remove the fill and outline of the text box. Copy the text box and paste it here. Here, you can add other information. Now, I will insert a shape name plaque. Change shape, fill color, remove outline. Then, right-click and add text. The text I have added here is the certificate of achievement presented to. Pick a new font. I will set a color of the text. Now I will change the size of the shape. Align center. How I will insert a text box. Then write a name here. Pick a new font and increase the font size. Text Alignment Center. I will set the text color red. Now, remove the fill and outline. Alignment Center. Then I will draw a line. I will change the color of the line. Alignment Center. Align Center. Insert a text box. Here you can enter other information about the certificate. Text Alignment Center. Now I will insert a triangle shape. Change the size of the shape. Now I'll change the shape, fill color, and remove the outline. Copy the triangle shape, and I will change its fill color and size. Then, I will copy this shape. Change its fill color and size. Select 3 triangle shapes together. Set their alignment to align bottom. Then, right-click on them and group them. Then copy this shape group and paste it here. Now, go to the Rotate option. Flip the shape group horizontally. Align top. Now select the 2 shape groups and group them. Align center. Now I'll insert a text box. And type signature. Then, remove the fill and outline of the text box. Now I will insert a line shape. Change the color of the line. Then select these 2 objects and make their alignment center. Then right-click here to group them together. Then copy this group and paste it here. Write date in this text box. Then, I will set their alignment to align top. Increase the size of this line shape. Now, I will insert a star shape. Change its fill color and remove the outline. Now, I will insert a logo. Go to the Wrap Text option, then select In Front of Text to move the logo image very easily. Change the size of this image. Then, select these two objects and set their alignment. Align center. Align middle. Now, I will insert an octagon shape. Fill the shape with gradient. Click on the Format Shape icon. Select Fill. Gradient Fill. Now, I will create a gradient color. Then, I will add a gradient color to the outline of the shape. I'll add an effect to the shape. Go to Shape Effects. Select Inner Shadow Effect. Change the size of the shape. Then, I'll copy the shape and paste it here. Change the size of the shape. Align center. Now, insert a text box. Here I will type Certificate. Pick a new font. Increase font size. Text align center. Remove shape fill and outline. Text box alignment center. Copy the text box. Paste. Copy the text box. Paste. Increase font size. Align center. Then I will add a signature image here. Go to the Wrap Text option. Then select In Front of Text to move the image very easily. I will insert a text box, then add a date. Text Align Center. Remove shape fill and outline. Certificate design is complete. Save your MS Word file as a PDF, then print. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you next time.